Good morning. Today is Friday, September 10th, and my boyfriend and I are gonna go on an adventure. Sorry, Mom. Hands on the wheel. How was it by that? At 7-Eleven right now, and we're getting some food. We're getting onigiri. He's watching me. Do you want to do 2 hours and 2 hours and 30 minutes with a toll, or an hour and 50 minutes without a toll? It's 30-minute difference.
How is it faster without the tolls?
No, it's faster with the toll.
Said it backwards then.
Oh, my bad. Wait.
Yeah.
I wanted to go a scenic way. Well, it's a different... Well, actually, we've never seen Yokohama from this side.
Mm-hmm. Nope.
This is onigiri. I took off the seaweed. I don't like it. What's this?
Starting route to home shrine, Kisaro Shrine Signo.
Sigu.
Proceed to the route.
Alright, baby. Let's go.
Just stay on in your lane. For the love of God.
Is this my lane?
Yes.
Yeah. How driving is like. Is this my lane? I'm a new driver.
You new driver?
I'm a new driver. It's just so beautiful. Look at all these flipping trees. Like, look at this. Oh. Alright, maybe we don't.
Don't what?
We don't record as I'm driving a red light.
Okay.
I barely hit the red light.
It's on video.
No!
So you incriminated yourself. How does it feel driving on the left side of the road?
Does not feel right.
It does. Well, you heard it first here. It is not right.
Use the right lane to keep right towards Kamakura Road, Hahaha.
She's speed. This is her first road tax.
And my hands all wet from my drain.
It was $1.
Wait, it is! I think that's a drive-thru. Is this a drive-thru?
Oh my God, what did we just find?
I'm gonna cry. This is in America, guys. They don't have drive-thru Starbucks here. Oh my God. It's not a drive-thru.
Proceed to the route.
Dang it! I'm just gonna go inside.
Yeah, we're just gonna park.
God. Oh my God, my park job! I got pastry too. So they don't have this in America. It's a sweet potato pastry. I had an orange tart one last week. Now I have an orange chocolate tart, and then this is a sweet potato one.
Reminds me of pumpkin pie, like a sweet potato pumpkin pie or whatever. They have that.
It kind of doesn't taste like anything.
I mean, it just tastes
Right?
like sweet potato and like
Like if you don't put any seasoning.
It tastes like cinnamon. I don't know.
You can have the rest. Don't worry about it. Let me show them one more time. Look at this. Don't buy it. It tastes like a sweet potato. Sorto. They put their ice drinks in these kind of cups instead of the other kind of cups. Oh no! Went the wrong way. She didn't put whipped cream on it because I got oat milk.
Yeah. Oh. It's like you usually ask. Mine did.
I got oat milk for you. What the heck? I got gypped.
You want some?
Lightning and the thunder. Yeah, the music stops when you start recording. We're listening to Bad Habits by Ed Sheeran. Are you kidding me?
That's the Red Lobster we went to.
Tara, this is for you. We've literally been on the road for like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and we're at a beach, right? Barefoot Coffee, that looks so cute. Pull over again.
Pull over.
That'd be so much fun. But I've heard stories about people who go parasailing and then the wind picks up.
They never come back.
Yeah, no, they get picked up into the air and then they fly away. Wow. It is just like the most beautiful day. You know what I've always wanted to see?
Oh, you probably can't see it, but that dude's got a mohawk.
I thought you were gonna say he's playing on the swing with his child.
He's got a mohawk. I don't think anyone's. I couldn't get it. It was a pretty. He looked like Mr. T.
So that means stop. I found that out as the guy jumped in front of my car because I tried to pass him.
Stop.
I'm sorry, I don't read English. I'm going 37 miles an hour, but I literally feel like I'm going, probably right now it feels like I'm going 50. I feel like I'm zooming. I've ever been on.
Jurassic Park fence.
There should be a bathroom at a park.
We'll go over there.
There's a pirate ship over there. We just stopped to go pee. And now we are photographers. So you can stand maybe like right here and then try and take a picture of me and then get the pirate ship in it too. Paul, I can't believe that coffee shop is closed.
Yeah.
Do we look like Americans yet? That's a good angle. Shit. That's a good angle of me. Take those again. Right back to our original course of action, the tour gates. Hopefully I don't have like a ticket. Oh, a little peckish. I'm gonna break into those snacky snacks. Wait, am I supposed to turn right here? That,
Right there.
oh my god, it's oh my god. Look how big these trees are. Like big and round.
Thick boys.
Whoa, look!
Straight.
So I saw this super, super cute trinket shop, and now we're gonna go inside. We literally were at a stoplight and just said, look, a parking spot, and just whoosh, but it's the super awkward parking spot, so he's showing me how good he can back up. And he's reparking so that we're facing the opposite way, so it's not difficult for me to get out of this place. This is so adorable. I can't help it. I keep thinking those are scissors though, and I think we're about to get our hair cut. I don't know what she's saying. Did you get a bug in your face?
Yeah, tried to kill me. Oh, it's my face.
I think the tree's 10 years old.
Oh my goodness, it's a picture of a picture.
Watch me. There it is. Wait, how do you get over there?
This way.
And now we stand in line. Everybody's laughing at them, and I don't know what happened. I feel like I'm not supposed to be walking right.
It's too late. You're already like halfway in it.
Do we want to walk that way back?
Sure.
Instead of the stairs. Okay, we got the first thing checked off our checklist. What we wanted to do. That was kind of like the main thing. Go and see the shrine. What? No. I know. Two.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Okay.
We're on the water now, boys.
We took a swan from Pier 2.
Arg.
Here, let me.
I'm cruising for a bruising. But we're inside of a swan.
Swan boy!
Swan boys!
Swan, dude.
Wow. What are you doing?
Touching the.
Yep. Fiberglass.
Yep, that's
Yep, for sure.
Yep, that's wood.
Polyester. Yep. 10%.
10%. Stop making fun of me.
Disgusting.
I love it.
I love it. Is this the speed you wanted me to go at?
No, it's fine.
What speed do you want to go at?
Super fast. Light speed.
Oh my god!
There's like water flying everywhere.
Look how fast we're going.
Light speed, baby.
Swan speed, baby. Imagine us being on here when it starts to storm.
That'd be fun.
Oh, I barely got you coming out of the cutest boat. They're so cute. Pizza. We're stopping for lunch. This might be one of the best pizzas I've ever had. It's so good. It's lasagna pizza. Cheers.
Going out over there, it looks like.
You didn't find a gas station?
I don't think so.
I cannot believe it costs $25 for half a tank of gas. That's ridiculous.
It's expensive, but it is also
It's worth it, but all I can think about is the kind bar you have in the back seat. Yeah,
You just had a half a pizza.
I had 3 slices. Turn?
Yep. No, that way. I'm sorry.
Are you sure?
Yes, you got me opening this damn thing. You're fucking confusing my direction. Yeah, you're good.
And I forgot how to drive.
I see that you just drove into traffic again. It's like you're in oncoming. 5 minutes later. Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Wanna be a bad bitch like that one chick in Cruella.
Emma?
You throw out the trash. Go take one bite and be like.
Last time we were here in Hakone, we walked all along this sketchy road. 3 miles? Yeah, probably.
5 miles.
It was to the point where we looked like crazy enough people. People told us to get in their car and they took us where we needed to go.
It's so beautiful out here. What do you think?
I should have brought my sunglasses. Look at the sketch road. Mom, that's where we walked.
Not no more.
Not no more. I'm a driving woman now. I drive cars.
Look at what we found.
Like, are you even flipping kidding me right now? Like, I can't even believe my eyeballs. Time to pee and time to shop. Shop till I drop. This is stop number 2 that we were planning on making. Hard off, his favorite. It's like a thrift shop. Wow. Did I lock the door? Okay, it was a cool kind of thrift shop. This is what I got. I got one of these. It's gonna hold all my little rings in it. It was $1. And then I got 2 of these. I got a blue one. I think it's like aroma, like therapy, but I'm just not gonna open it. It just looks so pretty. So I got a blue one and an orange one. Now we're gonna head to our next location. We're either gonna go camping or we're gonna find a location, a hotel right next to it. So I'm gonna search for hotels right now. It's kind of getting really cold, and we didn't plan at all. And it's 5 o'clock right now. Like, we just knew we wanted to go on a road trip, and we needed to go now because we got the car and we gotta go now. No time for planning.
Jeez.
And going to onsen. This is our hotel. This is where our bed. This little coffee table, a mirror, and right here is a window. And there's a lake right here, all right here. And then Mount Fuji is, I think he said it was over there, but we can see it from the onsen when it's daytime, but it's night. That's the women's and that's the men. I've been wearing the men's this whole look at this. I'm ready to go. I'm wearing the men's, baby.
Alright. Oh, don't do that.
Oh God.
Can you relax? Do they have lockers?
Yeah. Oh my God, I forgot I had makeup on. So I just got out of the onsen. Oh well, I'll deal with this later. So I just got out of the onsen and I'm, naked because you can be naked here. So this is what it looks like. And it's like a giant hot tub and you're naked. And then apparently Mount Fuji is right over here. So this is an onsen. Obviously there's no one in here. I forgot I had makeup on. So hopefully they have, sometimes they have like little confections, like little lotions and stuff. And that is what I need. Because look at this. If you put like lotion on your makeup, it takes it away. Just like that. That's what my mom taught me. So heading back to the room. I'm gonna fix this mess. So this is what I was talking about. They have like lotions, makeup remover, which I should have done, and hair dryers, and like seats. So yeah, underneath this, you're naked, but they give this to you, so that's really nice. So clean this up. Starting our day off with a walk. From there, I don't know. He wants to go to another hard off. Is this where it is? You said too?
Yeah.
But first, I have to get a coffee, and then we can start walking. We're checking out at the hotel right now. I'm not crank. check out to go. We're at Logan Paul's forest. He said I wasn't allowed to call it the real name.
Don't call it that either.
Oh, right here are the biggest fish. What the heck? Here's my hand. Watch, maybe they'll come up to me. They must think the rain is food.
Yeah.
I know what I'm eating for lunch, boys.
Not these.
I'm so surprised look. The shore is literally right here, like that they'd come so close to the shore.
They're friendly fish.
We're at Lake Matosu, which I think I said it correctly. Can't look at the words right now, so to go by memory. Which is at the foot. It's on the $50 bill.
That's what I found.
And he found a lure. It's on this side.
Oh.
He found a lure, and we're gonna take it home
And raise
it. But hopefully we'll get to go to maybe an ice cave today if it opens up.
I've already got it typed in the GPS.
But it's so nice and there's lava rock everywhere. I just tripped on a giant lava rock. It's raining, but it's like so nice. I feel like this is like dry rain. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Like I'm not getting wet. Fuji's behind me, I believe. You can't see it. It's way too cloudy of a day. But it's so... I cannot believe there's this many people here. And people with their little dogs. It's so cute. They're all like paddle boarding with their little dogs. Oh, look. I think that's the campground we wanted to go to. Do you see it? So, I have a weakness. And my biggest weakness is coffee. Especially coffee in the most aesthetic of locations. Tomiya Coffee just tucked up these kind of like cottage core staircases. Someone sweeping. Coffee. Look at how absolutely adorable. So even though I already had some coffee today, I gotta see what the deal is up here.
This is this yep.
Coyote.
Right.
It's lava rock. Whoa! Oh no, this is not a good start.
So like I know you're recording, but please be careful.
Oh my god, it's so slippery. Ice on that light. Or is that
No, that's
moss?
just
That's moss.
Yeah, I was like,
All of this is ice, like just solid ice. Wow.
can you see your faces? Now you can see everything.
Chunk of ice. It's cold too. I want to see some stalagmites. I want to see some stalactites. Dangerous ones. I almost hit by a bag.
No, you didn't.
I did. To the wind cave. Don't fall. I can't stop thinking about my corn ice cream. It tastes like you took the juice of corn and made it into ice cream. It grows on you. I didn't like it. Now I like it. We're in like the middle of, I wouldn't say the middle of nowhere, but the shack is in the middle of nowhere.
It's the burger shack?
And it's the burger shack. Hopefully they take card. It's takeout only. So we're gonna get our burgers and eat them somewhere. This sign is cute. Eating our lunch like a Seiko. We've hit literally 3 of the 5 Mount Fuji lakes. I love the flowers.
Me too. You could sit on those benches up there. You want to do that?
No, I want to sit by water.
Okay.
Right here.
Like just the mountains. We can go swimming.
At 4 of the 5 lakes that surround Mount Fuji. However, it's too cloudy of a day to actually like see Mount Fuji. So I think it's that.
Yeah. This big ass.
Oh shoot!
Yeah.
What is that?
We're looking at the mountain. I would assume.
To make sure it doesn't move.
Yeah, watch it.
Got on my shoe. Get your holy shoes out of here. We're gonna go shopping. This is probably the hardest mall I've ever been to get to. We literally did like a U-turn on the highway to get here because we didn't have the correct pass. Locking car, and it's just a Premier outlet, but it looks giant. Can't forget this car doesn't like beep when you lock it. My other one did. Okay. Open, close. Got it. But it looks ginormous. We're on parking structure number 7. Remember, parking number 7.
Look at that. Is that continued over there? Right there. Is that a continued? Because that's the same type of tower. I think it is. Yeah, it goes all the way over there. There's a bridge.
Oh my
Parked
god.
over there, don't forget.
Okay, 7. So I have a qualm with the fashion here in Japan. And it's not bad. I mean, nothing ill will, but it's all the same. There's like over 100 stores here. They're all the same. They all are these not even turtlenecks, these tank tops with undershirts under them, these dresses that go up to your neck, and it doesn't veer from the difference. I even went into a Abercrombie and Fitch store, and they had stuff we had in America in 2019, like leopard stuff, for $140. Very interesting. But like, I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's these type of dresses I see everywhere. Every store. Or this. Long skirts and that store's kind of cute. But it's gonna be saying like that skirt I see right there goes to your ankles.
Yeah.
I like the shirt though.
skirt. That's what it is. Half.
Yeah, like half it. But see, you still see that like tank top type with the long sleeve. I want some individuality instead of uniformity. You didn't see anything at the Lego store?
No, there were some pretty cool Lego Adidas you could build though.
It'll hurt your feet.
I know.
I'm gonna look in the store. So this is size F, and size F is one size fits all. So this is what a one size fits all looks like. Out of the shopping center and out of the mountains, we are now headed to like a cliff kind of ocean side. Super excited. How far have we driven? An hour and a half or just an hour, do you think?
Well, according to this, it says we've driven an hour and a half.
We have a half an hour left.
Yeah.
Hopefully we're done with windy mountains. Recording my stress.
No. This is the road we're on. This is a two-way.
Oh my God.
We had to pull over so they could pass.
We just made it to the hotel. That was the most terrifying drive I've ever done. Like, Mom, it was the exact reason why you said to always look at the roads before you drive them. Like, look at the path. It was the size of a one-way, but two cars are supposed to fit. And then on the other side, cliff. There was a cliff. And then to get to this hotel, hi, we're at our hotel. It's on this is on a cliff overlooking the ocean. Okay, cool. I had to drive up a cliff to get here. My car, I was so scared my car was gonna fumble backwards. I asked him, I was like, is it possible for a car to flip? And he was like, yeah, it is. Now I'm going inside to check in. Getting ready for bed. It's 8:30, but it feels, oh, you can see what time it is, 8:30, but it feels like it's like 10 o'clock. Look how red my eyeballs are. So, getting ready for bed, I'm gonna watch some YouTube, and then I'm gonna take a fat snooze in. We got up at like 6 this morning, so, alright. He's showering. I'm relaxing because I've been driving all day because I'm the only one who has my driver's license. Good night. Good morning. It is the last day of our little road trip, and we went from the coast to the mountains, Mount Fuji. We went to like a little shopping center, you remember that? And now we're back at the coast, but a different part of it. I've never been here before, but it's like cliffs, and there's like a beautiful blue lagoon. It looks like Peter Pan blue lagoon. This is absolutely beautiful. I've never seen. It gives me such like Hawaii vibes. I was gonna say I've never seen like a look like this here before. It's very like Hawaiian vibes. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited. We have no plans for today. Absolutely none. We climbed down 1,000,000 steps to get here. Look at the little house. You see it? Yeah. Wow. I wonder what kind of critters we'd find in there. Oh my God! There is a stingray. I'm sorry, I'm not used to just seeing a stingray.
Where is it?
It's right there.
Oh, yeah.
He said, oh, look, a stingray. Walked away as a joke, and all of a sudden there was a stingray. We can go the opposite way that the car came that almost hit us. It's back in the old days, like before I got a car. That is the biggest hornets, you think, nest?
I don't know if it's hornets.
You think it's those Japanese, those killer bees?
Maybe.
You know what I bet they are? I bet they're the giant bees we keep finding everywhere.
The one that hit me in the chest.
Yeah, the one that flew in the car and hit you while we were driving.
Yeah.
That is probably half my size. No, it is. It's those big bees. I can see the bees from.
Let's go.
They're disgusting. Why are they so big?
We walked right past it.
We saw another fallen warrior.
Oh no.
It's another smash crab on the ground. They're going into the tree. Oh, is it a rock? No, it's a tree. Down the steps. I'm hungry. I haven't had my coffee yet. I only ate an apple. Are you flipper kidding me? Look at how cute that is. This was the hill I thought my car was gonna flip over. Oh, I forgot to say skin.
Didn't get me.
Okay. If I let go of the brake, we die.
I mean, I'll jump out.
That caught some speed quick.
Turn left.
We're going to McDonald's. My inside of my new clean car is a mess. Cute little cups. Already scarfed mine down. So good.
I want the chicken one, you can have it. The other one.
Is it the same thing as that? I just want to bite. Look at the lettuce, so fresh, so clean. Crispy chicken sandwich, so good, so clean, so fresh. I beg to say, it kind of tasted healthy. Do you think it tastes healthy or no?
I think so. I mean, I think that the chicken's nice.
It's not greasy. Like, my McGriddle was amazing, but it was a McGriddle. Like, it's a little greasy, you know what I mean? Like, a little juicy. The cheese was real, but it's the lettuce.
This was not greasy.
It's the chicken. Like, the chicken isn't like.
It's good. I like it.
I like it. One right?
Yeah.
I'm assuming.
Up that way, yeah. That was just...
Dude, you know what? That's what I'm gonna be seeing when we go up this giant hill and we flip over.
It's not a big hill. The other one was...
Well, so far it's not. Can you play the Indiana Jones music? I can't even say. He literally just called it Indiana Jones music. Can you play the Indiana Jones music on the way home?
Yes.
By that I mean, can you play indie music? By that I mean, can you play TikTok music?
It's not even TikTok music. You want me to start over from the beginning?
Yeah. This isn't staged. Turns out we have 5 hours of driving left. Stopping for a bathroom break. Just got done eating a little snack. This road trip has been great. It's so much fun. Thank you for coming with me. But I got cramps right now. And it's like those cramps that are just like the pressure where it's just pushing and pushing. And you're like, oh my God, go away so I can have fun. Like, and I'm driving because I'm the only one who has my license. But I'm like going up and down these windy roads and my stomach's just like, and the only thing that makes me feel better is eating. Are you guys like that? Like, eating is the only thing that is making the pain kind of go away. Just got back. What did he get? Oh, he got sandwiches. What kind of sandwiches? I'll show them. What kind of sandwiches did you get?
No kind that have bread.
What? Oh! This is the one you were talking about, the tuna and egg one. So, one half is tuna and one half is egg. Oh, interesting. It's like this. I was about to close out this video and ask him, I was gonna ask you what your favorite part of the trip was. And then I said, it's gonna be called like, I bought a car, so I went on a 3-day road trip. Something like catching like that. And he goes, yeah, more like, I bought a car and I told no one I was going on a road trip.
I did this whole thing.
What do you mean?
I did this whole road trip with like one shirt, no one. With no underwear and one pair of shorts.
What did I tell you to get you, like, what did I tell you? I could have swore I told you we were going to be gone for the whole weekend.
No, you did not. I would have packed underwear.
I literally, he keeps showing up with the same t-shirt, and I was like, oh God, I guess he really likes that t-shirt. With that, what was your favorite part?
I had to buy a shirt at the aquarium. I'm wearing a shirt I bought at the aquarium.
Wait, what was your favorite part then?
Buying these magic cards. Okay.
Wow.
Underwhelming.
Underwear. Something you don't have. Oh, cool! Look at that. I like the burger.
Oh,
I think the burger might be one of my. Oh, the pizza! That pizza was the best pizza I think I've literally almost ever had.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
It was delicious.
I like that view.
I liked this one.
He likes the art on this one. I like waking up this morning at the location we were at, going downstairs, and then just seeing like the cliffs and then the water, because we had no idea what they looked like.
I was like waking up and crippling back pain.
That was the other night from sleeping on the ground. Oh my gosh. We should have went swimming this morning. Hello, Pocket.
In my one pair of shorts.
Oh, I liked seeing the Hakone, the Torii Gate.
That was fun. I liked doing all the lakes actually, just like seeing every.
I'm mad we didn't go to the last one.
Well, we can go back and then come here. I brought 4 decks of magic cards. We didn't touch. Cause you don't play with me anymore.
You didn't set them up and then remind me the rules.
I was too excited to go to sleep. We're just 2 hours away, and no tolls.
And with that, we just hit 2 hours from our home. So I'm gonna say goodbye for now. He's gonna continue to stare at the same 8 magic cards he has been staring at.
There's not 8. There's at least 15.
The same 15 cards. I'm gonna listen to some tea channels and then a podcast. And that's
In
it.
400 meters, turn right onto the ramp.
I will not. You cannot make me.
I don't want to go home. Goodbye. We made it back, and this is as many tolls as we had. This is what you missed. This is the behind the scenes. Is it time to back up the car? This is like the worst part. Bye, I gotta concentrate.
Would you like to explain what just happened?
My pass that I can drive this car just flew out of the window while we were driving. Well, we were at a stoplight and it flew out of the window and I screamed. I said, ah! And then he, at the stoplight, turned green and he had to jump out of the car to grab it. They were on the ground. Oh, cute. The boat. Do you not see the boat? The yellow one.
What?
What? Ow.
I'm sorry. What yellow one? I
The
can't.
yellow boat.
There's a giant tree in the way.
We should just take a swim. But I don't.
That's the beautiful.
Drive the car into
That's the most beautiful thing I see right there. Yeah. Yeah.
temple.
It's a temple.
Look at that cafe. Novas. Oh, wait. Hold on. It doesn't say Novas. It's just some dude's house.
It could be.
It's a Nova's house. So beautiful. You know what I didn't expect is, like, nobody's on the road. Like, I see cars, but I always thought it was going to be, like, butt to butt, front to butt the entire time.
Not to butt.
What? I'm hoping we see the monkey sign again. No monkeys, just the sign. I just want to see a monkey, though, for real.
You're looking at one right here. Look at this monkey.
I can't see you. Your hand's in the way. All right, we put the Yui. Now we're heading back.
Is that a Lamborghini?
Mercy. No, that's just a Toyota. We got yelled at by the Japanese lady.
Yeah.
She said, and then at the very end, she said, "Sorry, I don't speak English." And I was like,
It's okay.
"Well, we're in your country. I'm sorry, I don't speak Japanese. I'm in the wrong."
We tried.
I still have no idea what she was trying to tell us, though.
I think she didn't want me to like.
Flip flop.
Yeah, like no, I don't know.
I think she didn't want you on this side, and then I get on this side, and then it'll flip.
Yeah. The dunk head.
We got the love boat. Look, they got little hats on. Hey, you pinch my butt. My hair's gonna get stuck in this thing. My first day out on the town. Actually, it is my first day out on the town.
You wanna go?
Left, right?
Yeah, that way.
Left, right? Oh my god. With a flipping windmill?
With the windmill, I cannot believe windmill. I got
You
it.
can't eat it, but I like wind.
See how cold do you think it is in here?
Yeah.
Probably, I don't know, like 30.
Okay.
Yeah, probably like 30.
Yeah. What about like a nice crisp dry 30?
Like, those crystals or those ice?
I heard something coming out of there. Don't capture my fear. Now I have to go back downstairs so we can take. Ooh! I misjudged the step. Oh, look at the water. We didn't even know. Oh no, we knew there was water here because you said, "Oh look, water."